This is my kitchen. When cooking starts, it gets messy really fast. It can be pretty chaotic. I took a look at professional chefs to break down what they do to cook at a high level with minimal mess. They use stainless steel pans to stage ingredients, to move from one step to the next. So I thought, why don't home chefs have a system like that? For the past year and a half, I've been designing a workstation that brings restaurant-level organization into the home. Something that streamlines cooking, reduces the mess, and makes the whole experience more organized. Meet the Chef Station. It's a beautifully simple, all-in-one solution for prepping, cooking, serving, and storage. Unlike other kitchen gadgets that feel disposable and get buried in drawers, the Chef Station is built to be seen. Crafted from premium hardwoods like teak, maple, and walnut, and paired with a polished stainless steel and durable silicone inserts, it's something that's both functional and beautiful. The Chef Station is designed for an intuitive workflow, helping you move efficiently through each part of the meal. Moving over the cutting board rather than the countertop. When chopping, refresh the cutting surface with a swipe, moving scraps and ingredients into dedicated bowls. With our patent-pending MagSnap technology, each bowl jumps precisely into place every time. It's so satisfying to hear them snap in, ready to support you. When preparing raw meat, keep the station sanitized with the use of the magnetically attached, lightweight supplemental board made from a highly sustainable, dishwasher-safe paper composite. The embedded magnets lock it into place or let it function independently on your counter. When you're ready to cook, stack your bowls or ingredients onto the carrying tray and move everything as a unit to the stove side. Every detail has been thought through. Every piece, from the cutting board to the bowls to the tray, was designed from the ground up, bespoke for the Chef Station. Even the bottom of the containers have been CNC milled to stack perfectly for compact storage or easy transport. The Chef Station isn't just for prep, it's built for the full experience. Prepping, cooking, serving, and sharing. Whether it's a quiet breakfast or a dinner party with friends, the Chef Station is ready for any occasion. After a year and a half of designing, refining, and testing, we're proud to bring the Chef Station into your kitchen. But launching a product like this takes more than a great idea. Custom tooling for our steel and silicone parts and meeting minimum order quantities requires your support. Back this campaign and help us bring the Chef Station to life. And experience cooking the way it's meant to be. Cleaner, simpler, and more enjoyable.